Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can use AI text-to-speech in the Filmora video editor. So basically you can provide a narration or text and then let AI in Filmora to create audio or voice based on the text that you have provided. So the first thing that you need to do is that you have to make sure that you're running the latest version of Filmora, and after that you can insert the video into the project. And in this case, I will try to use my previous video that I just uploaded on my channel, and I'm going to put this video into the project timeline. Now you have to put a text to this video. Now you can go to titles and then you can select any text style that you want to use, but in this case, for a simple explanation, I'm going to be using the subtitle, which is basically the text or the words that I spoke on that video. So this is the one that I just created using this tool called turboscribe.ai. And yeah, basically I export the text from audio, and then I'm planning to use this text to create another audio. Yeah, that's kind of interesting. But anyway, I'm going to mute this audio so you can see the example without actually listening to my other voice, my other video. So this is basically the text, and I'm going to play the video a bit, and you can see that this is all the words that I spoke on this video. Now, of course, all of these are my words, so I'm going to use AI in Filmora to turn that into AI voice. All right. I guess I'm not going to use all the video. I think it's going to be too long. I'm going to cut this in around 15 seconds, and I'm going to remove the remaining section. But if you want to create a full video with full text, then you don't have to do that. This is just a demonstration. Now let's select the text, and then you have to go to text-to-speech, and then here you want to select the audio profile or the voice profile that you want to use. There are many options, but I will try using a female voice. Let me try maybe using, let's try Bella.
Wondershare, creativity simplified.
Wondershare, creativity simplified.
Okay, I will try to use Bella here.
Wondershare, creativity simplified.
And then here you can adjust the speed and also the pitch, but honestly I highly recommend to not do any of that. It's usually going to mess up the audio quality, so just use the default setting. And then here, make sure that you enable auto match, and therefore this setting will make sure after the audio has been generated, it will be inserted into the video automatically, and it is matching the subtitle or matching the style, or sorry, not the style, the text that you have provided into the video timeline. And then here you can click generate. Remember, this will consume some credits of your Filmora account. The longer the video, the more credit that it will take. Now I'm going to click on this button and just wait for Filmora to generate the audio based on this text that I have provided. So this is the progress, and there you go. Now it has been inserted to video timeline, and this is the result. You can see that there are multiple segments. That's because I don't know why, but that's because it is creating multiple different files based on the sentence in the text. I think it's going to be separating the sentences or maybe the lines of the text that you have provided. That's why you're seeing multiple segments like this, but other than that, it should be fine. Now I'm going to play this video, and this
I
is the
love
result.
Pixabay.com, and I think this is the best place on the internet to find some copyright-free material, especially images. But unfortunately, this website has been overrun by AI images, and when you go to Pixabay,
yeah, even though it is matching the timeline, matching the text or the timestamp of the video, but it doesn't have the same pacing as my voice, and that's why it is making a lot of awkward pause in the middle of the video, and it just doesn't feel natural. But that's just the reality of using AI at the moment. It is not perfect, especially in Filmora video editor, but this is as worse as it's gonna get. It's going to get better over time. At least that's my expectation. But anyway, that's how you can create or to generate audio from text using Filmora video editor. If you find this video to be useful, then feel free to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on my next video.